is a land of festival, and each festival has its unique color and flavor. Amongst them, Raksha Bandhan, which literally means the bond of protection. It's a beautiful festival which celebrates the bond of love and affection between a sister and a brother, where the sister ties a holy thread called Rakhi on the wrist of the brother, and in return, the brother promises to take care of her throughout the life. We are in 2020 and we respect all cultures. Hindus celebrate Rakhi, and I am sure this bond of love is celebrated in other cultures as well, maybe in some other format. But whatever the format is, it is generally expected that the brother will take care of the sister throughout her life. Did we give it a thought that isn't it the responsibility of the sister as well to take care of her brother?
Yes, it's Rakhi and the first festival in this gloomy lockdown period. I'm so excited to get the gift this year. I wonder what Bhai must have got for me. Is it gonna be an iPhone or a tablet? Maybe some cash? I'm so excited. Yay, Bhai, you've come.
Hi Dee, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm great. It's been so long we haven't met since lockdown.
Yes, we spoke in the month of March during Gudi Padwa.
Yeah, I remember. I'll get freshen up.
Yes.
So, how's everything going? Work from home good? Any problem?
No, not at all. In fact, the laptop that you gave me last time has been a blessing for me. You know, my colleagues found it so difficult financially to get a laptop at such a short notice. I'm feeling very lucky to have you, Bhai.
Ah, I'm glad you liked it.
Okay, I'll just tie the Rakhi to you.
Yeah, let's do it.
Where's my gift, Bhai?
Uh-huh.
What is this, Bhai? You had promised me an iPhone. So this is the way you're going to protect me? And this is how much you love me. You can't even fulfill your promises.
Hi.
What happened? It's okay if you haven't got me an iPhone. I can understand it's lockdown. It was difficult to get out. It's okay, bhai.
Can I share something with you?
Yes, come, let's go in.
I don't know how to say this actually. I lost my job.
What? When? How? I mean, you didn't say anything?
I know. I was so hopeless, I've planned so much things. I wanted to gift you an iPhone. Mom and dad Rashna gave it to me. I even thought of jumping from my building.
I'm so sorry, bhai. I was blinded by the traditional way of celebrating Rakhi. And I'd really become very selfish. I was thinking only about the gifts. I'm really very sorry. Bhai, Rakhi doesn't mean it's only your responsibility to take care of me and protect me. It's my responsibility also. Today I promise, just like it's your responsibility to protect me and take care of me, I take this responsibility to protect you and take care of you always. I'm so sorry, bhai. I had forgotten my responsibility. So I promise I'm going to do this after this.
कहते हैं भारत एक ऐसा देश है जिसमें बहुत सारे त्योहारें मनाई जाती हैं, पर इन त्योहारों में हम घर के मर्दों पर, घर के पुरुषों पर कुछ ऐसी जिम्मेदारियां डाल देते हैं, हम सोचते ही नहीं कि उन पे क्या बीतती होगी। बहन को भाई का ध्यान रखना है, उसके ससुराल वालों का ध्यान रखना है, और अगर मामा बन जाए तो उसके बच्चों का ध्यान रखना है। उफ, कितना प्रेशर। Let's rethink how we celebrate our festivals. We are rich in our culture, but we just need little improvisation with the changing time, circumstances, and conditions. And to build that narrative and work towards this cause, Dr. Priya Parekh has set up a fantastic initiative called Me2We Mission 2034. Do visit our Facebook group and join us in our journey. Thank you.